Did you know that you can make up to $10 every time a student views your document? This is true. This is correct. For those of you that are students that likes to copy notes in school, this is a great way to level up your income. You can earn $10 every time someone views your document. So I'm going to show you how this particular website works, how to upload your document, and also the best part is that you can also teach to make money. You can earn up to 7,500 US dollars monthly just for tutoring students. So if you're a tutor, if you're a teacher, and you want to sign up, you can go ahead and sign up to become a tutor. So you don't have to pay anything, unlike the other ones. This particular one, you don't have to pay anything. They're only going to take out 20% of the charges that you're going to make. That's the money that you're going to make from the website. They will take out 20% for service charge. You're not going to pay anything for the registration. So if you come here now, you can see recent questions that students have asked. This one is paying $5, $15, $7, $3, $20, $24, $32, $40, $10, and $28. They're asking questions on subjects like computer, engineering, law, writing, humanities, math, science, business, foreign language. The best part is that they're taken from anywhere in the world. But these are the popular countries. These are popular tutor countries: Canada, Indonesia, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa, United States, Zambia, India, Malaysia, and my country, Nigeria, made it to the list. Philippines, Ukraine, Vietnam. So don't say you're in Nigeria. Of course, you can sign up for this one. The top subjects that they're focused on is accounting, algebra, business and finance, chemistry, computer science, health and medical, law, management, mathematics, programming, psychology, science, statistics, writing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment and share the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to sign up for this one. Okay, so let's dive in. So if you don't want to become a tutor, you can just go ahead and sign up to sell documents. I think this selling of documents is mostly for students, people that are still in school right now. I don't even know where my school notes are, but those that are still in school right now, I think you have a better opportunity to make money with your notes. So you when you come to this website, click on sell document. You can see it says earn money by sharing study documents. You're going to earn passive income sharing documents with millions of notes bank subscribers. So people actually subscribe to this particular website, then looking for some subjects, some topics that have been covered, that have been uploaded here. So they will go and view it. So once they view it, you can earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So even if you're not a student and you don't have notes, you can start making your notes and upload it here. The best part is they take all languages. We accept documents in all languages. So if you're ready, they also partner with companies like Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, Inc., Entrepreneurs, and so on. So you're going to upload the document. You upload your class notes, old homework, exam, quiz prep, zip files, etc. And then when you get approved, the uploaded document gets added to their note bank. Then it will be viewed by students. Millions of students search and have access to your document. Then you earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So recent top documents here, you can see them: Introduction to Terminology and Body Organization Study Guide, Anatomy, this one has 9 pages, Algebra, 9 pages. These are the recent documents people are uploading. You can also look at their reviews. They have a very good review on Trustpilot. You can also find them on Indeed, SiteJabber. That's to show you that this is legit. These are the subjects they cover. If you have any notes on these subjects, you can go ahead and submit. So once you come to this page, click on start sharing document now. Then it brings you to this page where you're going to enter your email address, a username, and then a password. You can also sign up using your Google account. Then you sign in. Then for tutors, if you want to become a tutor, click on become a tutor and click on apply now and sign up. The same way, email, username. So we're going to go for note selling. That's the first one. So let's go back here, start document. So you're going to enter your email address. So it kept telling me that I already have an account, but I know I don't have an account with them. So I had to sign up with my Google account. So it says stuck on homework question, post a homework Q&A. Our tutor can answer all types of questions. So I'm in now. You can see the $sign now. You can now begin to sell your document. So whenever I upload a new document, it says this is the unique ID that your uploads will appear under in the writing notepad. That is here. So if I'm ready to sell, I'll just start selling documents. So upload study documents, earn free unlocks, share old class notes, assignment, and test prep materials to students. We accept documents in all languages. 1 year. So they have a membership, which is not bad. $4.95 per month. But again, if you upload, you have free access. Once you upload any document, you have free access. You unlock your free access. You don't necessarily need to pay for monthly subscription because you're going to make money from this. You also need to pay something. So it says the disclaimer. Let's read this. Users who upload content typically receive credit for note bank unlocks within a few hours after the uploaded content has been reviewed by our system for authenticity. Per study pools policy, it is prohibited for users to upload or submit any copyright infringing materials. So you need to upload your own document. You need to write this in your own handwriting. Even if you're getting it from ChatGPT, please rewrite it. The documents are typically processed within 2 hours to 3 days, but can take longer depending on volume. So you do not mix poor quality content with good quality content. This will lead to very large processing delays and potentially all content being denied. Poor content includes duplicate content, content with no answer, explanations, and content that is not useful. Please make sure that your content is useful. Do not also copy document from this particular website and re-upload it here because it will not be approved. So you can put all the documents in a zip folder before uploading them. I know some people are going to say, oh, I thought you said it's free. Now you have to pay. But it says upload your documents to earn up to $10 per document viewed. So you're going to pay to be on this platform, but it's not compulsory that you must pay. To also get free access, you're going to keep uploading. Each document you upload will give you free access to this platform. So once you upload, you get credits. This is what helps them. And this is for this one, for selling of documents. But for tutoring, you don't need to pay anything for that one. They will take 20% of your earnings. For this one, you will get paid your $10 each time your document is viewed. So you must not subscribe monthly. If you have a lots of documents as a student, you can subscribe for that $4 per month and upload so many documents, and once they get viewed, you get paid. They will always be viewed, guys. You're going to make money from this particular website. So, but if you don't have money to pay to subscribe, just go ahead and keep uploading. Each time you upload, you will get free credit. The free credit is what you will use to continue to be on this platform to keep selling your document. So you're going to upload relevant documents. So you're not just going to upload maths question without explanation. You're going to upload the question, you're going to upload the answers and the explanations the person needs. So that when someone comes to view it, they would, get all they need and they will pay you $10. So don't forget not to upload bad titles, too blurry. Get a good picture of that particular document before you upload it. And don't use bad grammar, guys, or missing references. So to boost your sale on this platform, you're going to add strong and descriptive title to each of your approved documents. Upload documents from popular subjects such as business, nursing, humanities, and writing. Content must be high quality, eligible, comprehensive, easy to read, and must have accurate, valuable information. Upload hundreds of documents. The more documents approved, the higher the chances they can be viewed for you to earn. Those that are students, please, this is an opportunity for you to level up your income. Go and start uploading. Just sign up to sell your document. Don't go for becoming a tutor because you're still a student after all. Sign up for Sell Document and then start uploading your document. So for my people that want to become a tutor, it says with a study pool tutor account, you can freely switch between student and tutor mode and enjoy the benefits of tutoring on study pool, such as lowest service fees, reliable income, full freedom and flexibility. If you're ready, click on the apply button and apply. So remember, it says study pool has strict policy against plagiarism. If your application is found to have plagiarism, including text generated from artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT, it will be immediately declined and you will not have the opportunity to apply again. Thank you for noting. So study pool vets all tutors to ensure they are qualified to work on the platform. Like a typical job application, you will be asked to provide information about yourself and your qualifications. You will also be asked to answer 3 short questions in the topics of your choice so we can access your knowledge and skills. The application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one setting. So you can complete your answer later, but just start up and take it easy. Make sure you don't copy your answers from ChatGPT. But even if you do so, try to edit it, guys. Do some editing. Let the answer come in your own words. Rewrite it in your own words before you upload. Go to Glassdoor, you'll find them. They are reliable. This is not a scam. Okay. So the payment method for this one is PayPal. So if you're ready, click on start. This application will take about 30 minutes to an hour. If you have the time, you go ahead and start the application. So even as a teacher, you can also sell your document, your notes, because teachers do have notes, right? So you can sell your notes as a teacher, as a tutor, and also get paid. Remember, you're not going to be forced to pay for selling of documents. They only need a monthly service charge for being on their website. That is how they also make their own money. However, you must not pay. If you keep on uploading documents, you will continue to get credits. And those credits will allow you to remain on that website. That's if you don't have money to pay your monthly service charge. A lot of you pay for YouTube Premium. You can pay for that and sell your documents and make money. But if you don't have, just keep uploading your documents. You continue to get free credit to be there. But if you want to go for tutoring, go ahead, sign up. The sign up takes about 30 minutes. I cannot do that now because it takes about 30 minutes to complete. Once you're done, you're good to go. You start making your money. So that is it, guys, for us. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to sign up to sell a document or you're going to sign up to become a tutor. Let me know. So if you're for tutoring, comment tutor. If you're for selling of documents, just comment sell doc. Thanks so much, guys, for watching till this minute. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, drop your comments, share the video to other people. If you have children that are students, this is an opportunity for them to level up their income and stop disturbing you. Share this video with them so that they can watch it, so that they can sign up and start earning from their school document. But if you're a tutor, you can also go ahead and sign up and start selling your school documents or start teaching people. And they take from everywhere, from all locations worldwide. So I'll see you guys in another video.